Hi everyone, how are you doing? Thanks for being here watching the video. My name is David from Barcelona, Spain. I'm a photographer and today I bring another video on street photography in the area of the Forum of Barcelona. It's kind of a modern area in the city, and for the whole shoot I'm using the a6500 with the kit lens, the 16 to 50 millimeters, the small one. And the reason for using that one is because first I'm gonna be traveling with the electric scooter, so I want the smallest setup possible. I want to try the scooter around the city. It looks like fun, so I want to do that. Also, I like the focal range of this lens, the 16 to 50 millimeters. I find it very nice for street photography. 16 is almost wide angle and 50 is almost telephoto, so it's like in the middle. And also I want to prove to myself and to everybody that the kit lens is fine and you can take photos with whatever you have. The lens is not very fast, not very bright, like the aperture is 3.5 maximum, but I think it's still a decent lens for most people and very, very versatile. Like you can do so many things with this and it's very small. I like the lens, I like the kit lens, so I want to use it today for this shoot. Alright, so if you want to see the results, just stick around, let's see the video. Here I'm just warming up and taking some photos from the bridge just to see the light, how the pictures look like. I always like to warm up a little bit. I always like to come to tram stations to shoot. I think they are a very interesting subject. Let's see this woman walking and with the tram on the side. And now this old man going in the tram. Light is looking good. Not the best of compositions, but the light is right. I like it. Now I'm gonna go to the end of the station and just wait for a tram to move and have the city in the background. Let's see how it looks. I find the zoom of the lens very useful for these kind of situations. I've seen something that might be interesting as a background, this building here with the lines, and I'm waiting for somebody to pass and the cars to move faster so I can get the person alone. Okay, I just saw a hard cut from shadow to light. And I want to try to do something here with the shadow in the middle, the cut in the middle. And here we have two motorbikes, so let's see what I can get here. The bikes are too much to the left side. Now this is a place that I shot before, and I know the two trams come together here with the building in the background, the tall building, and that's a nice picture. Let's try it again. And this taxi driver smoking outside of the taxi. Alright, so I'm at the place that I wanted to photograph today, so let's see what I can get here. I like the scale of this picture with the tall building and the small person. And here we have this building is a museum, and I like the contrast between shadow, light and shadow again. Again, trying to get somebody in the light between the two dark areas. This is like the iconic place of this area, the solar panels, and I'm just gonna wait for somebody to walk by. This structure looks interesting, and I want somebody in the middle. I love the way the light is hitting these structures and the people passing by under the structure. I like this one because it reminds me of the movie I, Legend with the dog and everything. The way the building casts the shadow here, I like it and I find it very interesting, so I'm gonna be here also shooting for a while. It's a beautiful scene and I like the contrast. The bridge is very nicely lit, so I'm just gonna wait for somebody interesting to cross it. And here it is. I love the sun flare as well. I'm gonna try to get a shot here at the skate park. Probably not of the people doing things because they already have a filmmaker or somebody filming. But this guy standing up on top of the skate park with the sun hitting him looks nice. Let me try it. And here I'm just gonna stand by and wait for things to happen and people to pass by and take photos of their silhouettes with the sun in the background, everything backlit. I like that the sun is exactly between the two buildings. Before I was here and I know there is something nice to do here, and here she is, this woman with her husband taking photos of her. I'm gonna do the same. And I love the soft light. And now I'm just gonna stand here and see people crossing the street and take some photos with the sun in the background again. Alright, so those were the photos. What do you think? I'm not expert in street photography, so I'm not expert in the pictures, but I know that I like some of them. Not all of them because I was warming up at the beginning and some of them are not good, but I like 3 or 4 of them. I really like them, and I don't think I would know that they were taken with the kit lens. Like if I post these pictures somewhere, I doubt that anyone would know that, oh, this is taken with the kill lens. And I really love the range. Like the range is amazing. That to be able to just move the lens, the zoom, and zoom in and out without moving to get the wider angle or the tighter shot, that's perfect. But I don't know, I find these pictures to be decent and I like them, considering that I'm an amateur street photographer. I'm not a pro. Really, you don't need a very expensive lens or any specific equipment to go out and shoot. Okay, just take whatever you have, go shoot, have fun. I had lots of fun, especially with the scooter. It was really nice to ride around the city. So yeah, just go out and shoot whatever you have. And that's it from me. The next video is gonna be similar to this one, but I'm going to the Gothic Quarter, which is the classic Barcelona area, old buildings, old streets. So you know, if you're interested and you like the video, please consider subscribing, and I'll leave you until the next one. All right, have a good day and thanks for watching. Bye.